Hi Charlotte. First of all, good on you for emailing me, and secondly, I've had a look at how much effort and work you put into this these exercises, and well done. I'm very impressed. I just thought I'd go over the two mistakes that have come up on my end of Education Perfect and go over them with you. If this doesn't help, just reply to the email and with another question that you're stuck on. But and just before I go over these two questions, on Schoology there's that Monkey Algebra folder. I think I put maybe 5 PowerPoints in there, and just talk your way through them and try and get the language of apes, baboons, double-headed apes, double-headed baboons, and I think you'll find it quite easy to be able to do this after you sort of understand how to see the problem. So the first one here says 4, let's call them triple-headed snakes, plus, and what's a little bit silent here is there's a 1 in front of this S, and so it's 4 triple-headed snakes plus 1 triple-headed snake, and the answer is 5 triple-headed snakes. I think where you maybe got a bit confused is this is a plus sign and not a multiplication sign. If it were a multiplication sign, you would be correct. So you just got to distinguish between pluses and multiplication, kitchen whiz. Pluses, you're adding the triple-headeds, the double-headeds, the single-headeds, and the constants together. And this was the other one that it looks as though you had a problem with, and it was the same, it's exactly the same idea. You've got 3 triple-headed turtles plus another singular triple-headed turtle, and the sum of those is 4 triple-headed turtles. Actually, I'm not quite sure how you got 5. Anyway, that's beside the point. Hope that helps. Otherwise, just reply to the email and I'll make another video of a question that you are struggling on. Have a good day.